This is Acretown presenting residential land in Lake Holbrook, Texas. Enjoy the tour. Welcome to Lake Holbrook Estates in Texas, your gateway to lakeside living on your own terms. We have residential land available, ranging from under an acre to expansive 4.9 acres of waterfront land, all set in a high-end neighborhood without the burden of HOA restrictions. Each property offers paved road access, with power and water readily available. These lots provide flat, buildable terrain, and the vast majority of the land is free of any floodplain and wetlands encroachments. And septic has been approved, ready for construction. For future notifications of discounted and owner-financed land, please like, subscribe, and follow. Located just minutes from Lake Holbrook's public beach and boat ramp, you can enjoy fishing, boating, and sunny afternoons by the water. Mineola is only 10 minutes away for your daily needs, and Dallas sits a little over an hour from your doorstep, providing big city amenities whenever you want them. These lots are priced below market value, making them an exceptional opportunity to secure your spot at this recreational oasis. With flexible owner financing available, it's never been easier to take the first step toward building your custom lakeside haven. For more information, visit us at acretown.com/Lake Holbrook 30K and start your land ownership journey today.